What is the meaning of light? Light is the intersection of technology and the humanities. Light represents life, hope, and a path forward. In the world of NVC, light is our mission, our passion, and our promise for a more sustainable world. Established in the UK since 2010, NVC Lighting is a leader and pioneer in the world of LED lighting. In North America, ETI solid-state lighting, with its extensive R&D capabilities, push the very boundaries of performance in its state-of-the-art LED fixtures. As the inheritor of more than 130 years of fine craftsmanship, Dernier and Hamlin produces bespoke lighting fixtures that interweave traditional and modern aesthetics. Aura, born from the rich heritage of Dernier and Hamlin, is our answer to the evolving needs of modern architectural design. What unites these remarkable brands is a shared vision, a commitment to enlightening spaces, enriching lives, and bringing innovations to the spaces that matter to us the most. At NVC, our mission is to build innovative products that transform the spaces we love. Through the pursuit of practical innovation, uncompromising quality, thoughtful design, and the fulfillment of our promise to the customer using a world-class supply chain. Join us in our journey, where brilliance knows no boundaries, where innovation, craftsmanship, and design unite to enrich our world. NVC International.